Today I'm going to teach you how to delete attachments from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is particularly useful when you need to remove outdated files or reduce the overall size of your PDF by getting rid of unnecessary attachments. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the file you want to work with. This will open your PDF in the main workspace, ready for editing. Next, look to the upper left panel and click on Menu. From the drop-down options, select View. This menu houses various display settings that control how your document and its components are shown. Within the View menu, click on Show Hide, then select Side Panels from the options that appear. Finally, click on Attachments. This sequence opens up a dedicated panel where all files attached to your PDF are displayed, making them easy to access and manage. Now in the right panel, you will see all the attached files listed. These could be anything from Word documents to images or spreadsheets that were previously added to your PDF. Take a moment to review the list and identify the attachment you want to remove. This step is important because once you delete an attachment, you'll need to confirm the action, so make sure you're selecting the right file. Click on the file you want to delete. This highlights the attachment and prepares it for the next action. Once selected, look to the upper right corner of the Attachments panel and click on the three dotted lines icon. This icon represents additional options for managing attachments. From the menu that appears, select Delete Attachment. This command initiates the removal process for the selected file. A confirmation dialog will pop up, asking you to verify that you want to delete the attachment. This safeguard prevents accidental deletions, so it's a good practice to double-check that you've selected the correct file. Click Yes to proceed. The attachment will be removed from your PDF immediately, and you'll notice it disappears from the Attachments panel. Finally, in the upper right corner of the main workspace, click the Save button. This step is crucial because it ensures that your changes are permanently applied to the PDF. Without saving, the attachment would still exist in the file the next time you open it. Once saved, your PDF is now streamlined and free of the unwanted attachment. And there you have it. You've successfully removed an attachment from your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.